Medical equipment preparers sterilize laboratory and healthcare equipment. They use a machine called a steam autoclave to clean equipment to medical standards and keep detailed records to ensure procedures are followed to the letter. These workers inspect equipment condition, organize surgical instrument trays, and keep sterile supplies in stock. They also disinfect equipment such as respirators, hospital beds, or oxygen or dialysis equipment. Medical equipment preparers wear protective equipment every day as they are frequently exposed to contaminants, disease, or infection. Accuracy is extremely important in this field. Most positions require a high school diploma, though many in the field have a technical certificate.